Going through the rain, hard rain, this myokonin didn't have umbrella, but rushing through and came back home. What did he say? He said to himself, I'm so glad that my nose is pointing downward. Otherwise, all the rains may go into my nostril, and that won't be fun. Thank you, Amida Buddha. So this is like a joke. And actually, many Zen Koan is like a joke. It is a joke to ridiculing some confined thinking and not us to be able to see anything else. Yeah, it's a sad case. So this is Myokonin's koan, I would put